It was Friday at 3 p.m. Relays were tripping for no apparent reason. My multimeter showed steady voltage, but the oscilloscope told a different story. We were looking at a ghost in the machine. The culprit? A recently installed capacitor bank meant to save money on power factor penalties. It was a classic harmonic trap. We accidentally created a resonant circuit. The system's inductance and our new capacitors were perfectly tuned to the fifth harmonic. The system's inductance and our new capacitors were perfectly tuned the fifth harmonic. The VFDs were dumping harmonic current, and the resonance turned that current into a surge. That triggered the protection relay. The fix? We added series reactors to detune the bank. We turned that high-impedance trap into a low-impedance path to ground. Don't let your PFC cost you a production line. Always run your frequency scans first. Have you fought a harmonic ghost? Let me know below.